Hi all. Today it's all about Mexico. One can see Mexican flowers and butterflies throughout the pavilion. You will go on a journey of mobility, migration, and strength. Mexicopavilion showcases artistic creation, literature, music, photography, dance, theatre, and films.
Welcome, all of you. Welcome. Just make sure the keys don't touch the walls, please. Make sure your keys don't touch the walls. Thank you. Welcome, all of you. Make sure the keys do not touch the walls, please. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome, all of you. Welcome, gentlemen. Welcome. One of the seven wonders in the world, teacher. Look at it, Yucatan Peninsula.